Welcome to EDuKids. Let's learn all about emotions today.
What's an emotion? Emotions show how we feel. Happy, sad, or excited.
When you smile and laugh, you feel happy. When you lose something you love, you feel sad.
When something feels unfair, you might feel angry. When something unexpected happens, you feel surprised.
When something shocks you, you might feel scared.
When you can't wait for something fun, that's excitement.
When you don't understand something, you feel confused.
Next up for the presentation is Elizabeth. Come on up!
When you do something great, you feel proud.
When you need rest, you feel tired.
When there's nothing fun to do, you feel bored.
When you love finding out new things, you're curious.
When everything feels peaceful, you're calm.
When your tummy feels jumpy before something big, that's nervousness.
When someone cares for you, you feel loved.
When no one is around, you might feel lonely.
Thank you. When you say thank you, you feel grateful.
When you face fear and do it anyway, that's brave.
When you make a mistake and blush, that's embarrassed.
When you wish you had what someone else has, you feel jealous.
When you believe something good will happen, you're hopeful. When things don't go right, you feel frustrated.
When you rest and breathe, you feel relaxed.
When things don't go as you hoped, you feel disappointed.
When you care about others, you're being thoughtful. When you have fun and enjoy the moment, you feel playful.
When something surprises you a lot, that's shocked.
Sometimes we feel many emotions at once, and that's okay.
Did you enjoy learning emotions? Like and subscribe to EDuKids for more fun learning videos.